YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about FEMA death camp cars. You've heard other videos talking about these white box cars, or whitish looking ones, used to transport prisoners to FEMA camps, where they're eventually killed and turned into fertilizer to grow products that we eat every day, or ground up to make hamburgers for McDonald's. Here we have your typical FEMA prisoner transport car. Now, they want you to think they're used for moving automobiles, but we know better. Inside, it's standing room only. That way you can fit as many more prisoners than if it was sitting room. There's all these rails on the side so you can hook the trains together. You can probably fit about, I don't know, if you really squeeze, 300 people per level, and the car has 2 levels. So you can fit quite a lot of Katrina refugees and all those other places and people that FEMA doesn't quite want. Can't you hear them crying now? When am I going to get to go home? What are they doing? This can't happen in America. Yes, they'll be crying that all the way to Beech Grove, Indiana, where they'll be processed and dealt with. In the old days, they used cars more like these. But the problem was, there weren't enough air holes and it got too hot. So any of the refugees who could have been used for slave labor before they were ultimately turned into fertilizer or chicken McNuggets, perished. And it's really stinky. They'd rather just have it all done at the shop where they can do it all in mechanized order. Don't want to open up one of those after it's been traveling across the country in 100-degree weather, full of dead bodies of Katrina victims and homeless people that Mayor Bloomberg had gotten rid of to make New York look cleaner. Alright. Well, now you know about the FEMA internment camp transport cars, cleaning out homeless people and other people that FEMA deems unnecessary for you.